All right, guys, this is our 5th round in the Game U Sports hit draft style on this St. Patrick's Day. Appreciate you guys all joining. Here we go. Oh, I like this card on top a lot. This is a personal fave. Personal fave here. Walter Payton, number 2 of 12. Love that one. Walter Payton, 2 of 12. Quad patch. The legend. All right, some more really solid Hall of Fame running backs here. We got Barry Sanders, Gale Sayers, Tony Dorsett. And that is 3 of 12. Breaking ankles. Breaking ankles and breaking records. Uh-oh. Guys, we're talking about practice here. Not a game, not a game, not a game. We're talking about practice. 1 of 1. Allen Iverson. Triple patch. Career day. 60 points. February 12th, 2005. Little AI action. Love it. Next, we've got 12 of 25. This is Johnny Bench, Carlton Fisk, Thurman Munson, Mike Piazza, Gary Carter, and Yogi Berra. All-time All-Star ballot, best catchers of all time. And we will finish up with numbered 1 of 6 in the name used Letterman, Chris Carter. Cool piece right there. At first I looked at it, I thought that was Kobe. Because I know he does have Letterman in this. Alright, solid box overall right there as well. Go ahead and draft away. Steve, number 1 pick is all you, bud.